Welcome to Burger of the Month. I'm here with Karyna Aslanova. She's going to be doing her burger today, which is the
Karyna's Fish Kyiv.
Okay, so it's a fish burger. We don't get that very often, probably never before. So what's in it?
Fish.
Fish is in it, yes.
Mainly, yeah.
Okay, so after living in the UK for quite some time, do you see much difference between Ukrainian food and British food?
Absolutely. It's like a sky and earth difference. Yeah.
What's different, better or worse?
UK worse.
UK is worse than Ukrainian food? What's
Why so surprised? Of course, yeah.
I don't know Ukrainian food.
I think main thing is that we really appreciate the food because we were deprived from it with famines and stuff, so everything is important. We also have really fertile soil, so even just basic ingredients like potatoes, vegetables, I think it's starting from like products to what you put in, and mainly your soul, which British people like. So yeah.
British people lack the soul in the cooking. Obviously, you mean just in the cooking. Otherwise, they've all got souls, theoretically.
Soul and salt.
Soul and salt. Is that what you're saying? Salt. Okay, cool.
I think
yes.
Mainly, it's overworked females.
Yes.
All cooking. Yeah.
What's the typical Ukrainian family dish? If you're at home with a family, what will you have for dinner?
I guess most popular one is borscht, the beetroot soup, and vareniki, which is like a big dumplings. Yeah, and you can have it sweet or savory, and sour cream everywhere.
Sour cream and everything.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Tea with sour cream instead of
tea
milk.
with sour cream.
Absolutely, yeah.
I would try that actually.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll have to put our fish in the blender. Fish itself, white fish, doesn't have too much of a flavor. We'll have to season that. Just put the fish in there.
Let's put some fish in there, all of it, right? I guess, and all at the same time. I think of fish.
A fish? Yeah.
Already.
So what's the seasoning? Just salt and pepper then? Just salt and pepper, yeah? What do Goths eat?
The graveyard soil.
Graveyards?
Mainly, yeah, and their own Goth tears.
We'll add the egg in there as well.
So I was doing some filming yesterday, and I was playing the role of a doctor who was calming down the psychotic patient, and I was spending like 5 hours wearing these rubber gloves, and then like, oh God, it's just like triggering me. Okay,
Right, so now you're gonna mix that all up and try and make it what does it feel like? Does it feel nice?
I mean, I hate it.
Why are you a pescatarian?
Because I'm failing at being vegan or vegetarian. So
you care about animals, but you just don't give a to fish?
No, I mean, that's what I guess it means. Don't need to go so harsh on me, I'm fine. Or should we add some dill into the mince?
It's up to you, yeah, we can do that. Throw burger.
Up.
Yeah, let's just add it.
Dill in there, yeah. So if you were going to be stuck on a desert island, then you can bring just one meal for the rest of your days, what would it be?
Mashed potato.
Mashed potato?
Yeah.
I love just mashed potato.
I think I could live off just eating mashed potato.
You know what? I agree. Mashed potato, I'd need butter and salt. With butter and salt, I could eat just eat mashed potato all day long.
I think we need a bit more flour in here. It's falling
Yes, these
apart.
are pretty big patties here then.
Well, we want a massive monster burger, right? So there you go. Now it stinks of fish and rubber. Yum.
Fish and rubber, yeah, that sounds like the parties I go to. I don't even know what I meant there.
We'd like to clear the grills.
Headmaster. I need to like touch it a little.
You're gonna touch it, yeah?
Just to make it more nicer.
So we had Reese Quick with the spices, right? There was pork belly in that one as well.
Okay.
Not for you, no?
If he wants people to have heart attacks, then he's your winner, but yeah.
But no. Mark Maloney, Six Nations burger, Scottish haggis, Italian tomato sauce.
Well, when you have no taste, you just add all this together, right? So, sure, good luck with that.
So far so good. I'm not a big fan of beef, but...
And the slipper flies into you. Shut up! No, I don't know. I think I like cooking because it's like every time I do it, I'm like, there's something I'm like connecting with my mom and connecting with home. So we got our grilled bun Now we're going to rub the garlic off the top to get a little bit of that garlicky essence.
I thought you meant like use a grater, so you're just going to...
No. It's like actually it's getting smaller and smaller as that, so it goes in really well. We'll get this top. Burger.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Look at that.
Nice, juicy burger. Yum. Honey and mustard sauce. And most importantly, gherkin. Do you drink gherkin juice?
Yeah.
Yeah, I drink gherkin juice.
Do you actually?
Yeah, I do.
No,
I
only
love
with the
it.
pickleback shots.
No, just like a drink.
just drink it
You
as
know, it helps a lot with the hangover. Kale, yeah, to have just some more crunchy things in
Make it
it.
crunchy, yeah.
You know what? The last bit also have to go a little bit with sour cream. That's it, and lid on. My name is Karyna Aslanova, and this is my Karyna's Fish Kyiv. It's a fish patty made with a little bit of dill, salt, pepper, egg, a lot of sour cream in it, honey and mustard sauce. We have gherkins, kale, a little bit more of sour cream because I'm Ukrainian. I drink sour cream like water. Fuck all these guys. They like, you know, they have no taste. Yeah, they are burger such. What Ukraine? Slava Ukraini. This is what you need, guys. This is will make you want to leave. Honestly.